We endured the epic journey of academic achievement and now carry the responsibility of actualizing our visions and our achievements into our communities. We are the new lights emerging from the darkness of Noho Tatapu. In our world consumed by crisis, political unrest, injustice and fear, we rise as beacons, not just of academic achievement, but of Indigenous brilliance. To the generations yet to come, those who will inherit the fruits of our striving, may our achievements of today light the pathways of tomorrow.